Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is first question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that which of the drawing A to D shows? So in A, here 3 parts out of 2 shaded. So this is 2 by 3, same 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and here 2 parts out of 1 is shaded. So it's 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 parts out of them, one part is shaded, so 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Here 4 parts out of them, one part is shaded, so 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So figure A here 2 by 3 is 3 times, so 3 into 2 by 3. So हो जाएगा for A. Option third. For figure B, half 2 times, so 2 into half, ये हो जाएगा first. And figure C, 1 by 4 3 times, so 3 into 1 by 4, ये हो जाएगा 4 in fourth option. And figure D, 1 by 5 2 times, so 2 into 1 by 5, it's second. Thank you.